Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. And in today's recipe, I'm going to show how to make egg masala, which is anda masala. It's a rich, flavorful gravy where everyone will enjoy this. And in a simple way, I'm going to show this how to make egg masala. So I've taken 6 eggs. With the help of a knife, what you have to do is just these are already boiled. Just give them slight cuts this way. So now once the pan is hot, add oil. Add half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Add half an inch of cinnamon and cloves. Saute it well. Now add onion. I've taken 2 medium, roughly chopped. Saute it. Add 10 of black peppercorn. Now once the onion is slightly brown, add 1 Kashmiri red chilli. It gives you better color. Garlic, 1 pot roughly chopped. And ginger, 1 inch chopped roughly. Saute this for a while. Keep the flame on medium. Keep on stirring this so that it gets even color. Now since the onion is already golden brown in color, I will add tomato. I have taken 2 medium, roughly chopped, and cook this for at least 3 minutes. Let the tomato get cooked. This is ready. Now what we have to do is I will turn off the flame and let it be on room temperature, and we need to blend this to make a fine puree. So in the same pan, add oil. Keep the flame on medium. Add half a teaspoon of haldi powder, half a teaspoon of chilli powder, and add boiled egg. Let it get color. Keep it on low flame. Switch off the flame and remove this and keep it on the side. Now once the pan is slightly hot, add oil. Add half a teaspoon of haldi powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of chilli powder. Mix it. Don't keep the flame on medium. Let it slightly cook masala on a low flame. Now I'm going to add the gravy. Keep the jar like this only. Later we'll pass water and we'll add it, not now. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of dahi, curd. Mix it well. Cover this and let it cook on slow flame. Let's open this. I check this out. Gravy is cooked already. Oil start to separate already. Now I will add the water from the jar. Keep on low flame. Add 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala, 2 green chilli. Green chilli gives you better raw flavor when it gives you better taste. I will add little bit more of water. Check the consistency. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. Keep the right consistency. Check the seasoning. Now cover this and cook for at least 3 more minutes. It has been simmering for at least 3 minutes. I will add egg, fresh coriander leaves. Mix it. Now cover this and cook for another 2 more minutes as these eggs are already cooked. Guys, check this. This is ready now. I will turn off the flame. Add some more of fresh coriander. And this looks wow. Guys, check this out. This is how you make egg curry, anda masala. Try this recipe at home and you all will enjoy this. Thanks for watching the video and God bless you guys. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel and thank you very much.